Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the fundamentals so you can troubleshoot quickly. First, make sure the fabric or panel is evenly lit and free from folds. Uneven light causes color spill. Next, switch your camera to manual white balance and exposure so the green reads consistently across frames. Finally, import the clip into your editor and enable the chroma key or green screen effect. This gets you into the workspace, where you can see the problem and act on it immediately. Once you have the effect applied, refine the key until the green disappears while preserving subject detail. Start by reducing tolerance or similarity to remove excess transparency. Then use matte cleanup tools, choke to tighten edges, and soften to remove jagged artifacts. Use spill suppression to neutralize green reflections on skin or props. After that, perform a secondary color correction on the subject so it matches the replacement background's exposure and color temperature. This step sells the composite and prevents a pasted-on look. To finish, render a short test at full resolution and watch carefully at 100% zoom to catch edge jitter or haloing during motion. If you see banding or flicker, enable deinterlacing, temporal smoothing, or export at a higher bit depth. These reduce artifacts caused by compression. Make sure you keep the original footage so you can rework settings or rekey if necessary. If severe green spill or heavy compression ruins the key, you should reshoot with better lighting and a less reflective background.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.